With over 19,000 students carded to write the secondary entrance assessment exam on Thursday, the Health Ministry's Director of Mental Health is urging parents to keep their children calm. Dr. Hazel Othello says parents should maintain a normal routine for these students. She notes, though, that these children would be well aware of the current pandemic and believes parents need to manage their emotions going into the exam.
Are old enough to be paying attention to current affairs, so they know what is happening. They've been hearing the news, they've been hearing about COVID-19 and about the new normal. They're probably hearing a lot about community spread and paying attention. So there's a lot happening that can make them anxious. And it's our responsibility as the adults in their lives to manage that.
And Dr. Othello says while parents will not be able to treat their children after the SCE, as done in the past, these students should still be awarded at home.
And even though you can't do the, fast food or mall lime that you would normally want to do because of the current situation, spend time with them doing things that you know they enjoy. You know your child. You know whether they like to do video games or watch Netflix shows or whatever. Do things that they enjoy with them so that you make sure that they enjoy the afternoon after they come home from their exam.
One Standard 5 student in Tobago has tested positive for COVID-19 and will miss the secondary entrance assessment examination on Thursday. Secretary of Health, Wellness and Family Development, Tracy Davidson Celestin, made the disclosure at Wednesday's Post-Executive Council media briefing.
Is one of those students have since tested positive and would not be able to sit the C exam. I'm advised that arrangements, I'm not sure, might be made for another time. That is yet to be confirmed.
School reopened for SCA students only on July 20th, but had to be closed on August 5th after several schools in Trinidad were shut down owing to students testing positive or being in close contact with COVID-19 patients. And the Ministry of Education is reminding parents about the protocols required for tomorrow's SCA exam. Among those requirements, there is to be no congregating in or around school compounds. Students are to be dropped off no later than 7:45 a.m. for screening and reception ahead of the examination, which begins promptly at 8:30 a.m. Students must be collected promptly after the exam from approximately 1 p.m. Parents of children with concessions are advised to return at 1:30 p.m. Students are required to wear masks and will be screened upon entry to the school compound for COVID-19 related symptoms. Any student presenting with flu-like symptoms will be refused entry, so parents are expected to make sure that their children are admitted to the compound before leaving. Parents are urged to keep children with flu-like symptoms at home. A makeup test would be available to students who are absent.